Tarago Previa. This one's 1991. Alright, on this episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to get to the front oil pump seal, which is behind here, behind this crankshaft, and behind this plate here, this oil pump cover. So we gotta go ahead and take that out to get to the oil pump seal. Okay, this seal is leaking. Take out the crankshaft first. Crankshaft pulley, not crankshaft. Okay. For those of you that did not know how I got to this point in the first place, right here, you need to go back and look at the episode where I removed and replaced the front main seal, which is the seal behind here. That's a new one. Okay. So you didn't see how I got here. Go back and watch that episode and you understand. And now we just got the crank pulley out. I'm going to remove the oil filter mount. Three bolt. You don't have to take this out to get to the oil pump cover, but the reason why I took it out is because this figure 8 seal right here that's leaking. I need to replace that, so I'm taking it out. Plus it makes it a lot more open. See, it's much more open now. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove all these Phillips screws. Now those screws, they're not just gonna fall over and let you take them out. Okay, you have to fight for it. This is Phillip. You have to go each one of these Phillip head and tap it with a hammer. Okay, just like that. If you don't do this, you're not gonna get it out, guys. You just need to tap it in to break the seal, and then it'll come out after that. And you don't want to use the impact driver neither, because some of this is really tough to get out. The impact driver, we're just gonna strip the head of this Phillip. So you just need to use Phillip driver to do this. Phillip bit, and go around again. After that, you should be able to just use electric screwdriver like mine here. It'll come right out, see? I'm gonna move this bucket here before this falls in the bucket. See how easy it is now? First, you must break the seal. Oh, I'll come back for that one. Uh-oh. Let's do it in a row. I have 2 screws that are being so stubborn. Remember, if you try to get it out and it doesn't turn, you want to go back and tap it. Don't just try to kill it because you're gonna crack. Don't do that, because you're gonna crack this cover. Just do this. And hopefully that's enough. If not, we'll keep doing it again. Okay. You drop it, pick it up right away. Yeah, now we got it. And next, these two things right here, hammer and a chisel. And I'm gonna go underneath here, pick a spot. I don't know if you could see or not, but I take this chisel here, okay, chisel I got here, and pick the very bottom of the cover. See, it's moving now. Remember, it's got a couple of pins. You need to be very careful that you don't break these pins. You got a pin here and a pin here. That's what makes it the alignment pin. So slowly. Okay, now we got it out. This alignment pin here is supposed to stay in, but oh, something happened here. I think when I took out the alignment pin, when I took out the alignment pin is stuck, supposed to stay on here. But when I took it out, it cracked a little bit, but no problem. That won't cause the oil leak at all. So now we got this with the little pick. This is the one that we're replacing right here. Okay? That's the one we're replacing right there. Alright? And next we're gonna clean it all up and then get a new one of this rubber gasket and replace it. And also replace this figure 8 O-ring. If you move this, no problem. Okay? No problem. It has a self-alignment. It has a groove here. When you put the crankshaft in, the crankshaft will automatically put it in place. So don't worry about it when you move the position. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up right now, and we'll come back later. Oil pump seal right here. This is oil pump. The seal right here I'm gonna replace. So this is the part number right here. Okay? You get this from Toyota. So make sure you get that. And the seal from here look kind of weird. Like that. Okay? That goes here. Okay. I'm gonna put a little grease on here. Put a little grease on here. Just so that it stays. I don't have to fight it too much. Let's see. There's not any way you can rush this job. Take your time, put it in and put it in right and do it first time. No need to rush. A little grease hole. There we go. Right there. That is it. Timing cover. Remember, it has this plug here. Goes in here like that. So I'm just gonna tap it in real quick. There you go. Screws here. I'm just gonna put it in here. Like I said, take your time and do it right. Do it first time and get it done. I clean the top of the screw so it look nice. There we go. Now I'm using my screwdriver. There we go. What I'm doing next is I'm using my impact driver. Okay, I'm just gonna tap it in real lightly so that it's cinching properly. Okay. There. Like I lost the light again. That's it right there. So I'm just gonna do it one more time. There you go, impact driver. That's it. That's done. Next is let me grease this quickly. A little white grease on here. spin it until it goes in right there. Crankshaft. Then this needs to be torqued down, okay, guys? The torque on this is 270 foot-pound, okay? Make sure you get that, and you do anything less, it's liable to come out. And this is my torque. This is my torque right here, preset. This 270, likely about 285, 290. But that's it. So this is done. That's it. Front timing seal, oil pump seal, all done. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and I'm probably gonna replace the water pump too. Might as well just do it all at once. All right. Hope you learned something from me today. We'll talk later. Bye now.